Have you ever stared at a Slack message that made your blood boil? You type out a furious, defensive response. You hover over the send button. If you send it, you win the argument, but you damage the relationship. Instead of sending it, you need to use this 4-step AI reset. Step 1, the raw dump. Tell the AI exactly how frustrated you are. Dave is micromanaging again. I did the work, he's just trying to steal credit. Step 2, the command. Tell it to keep my point, kill the heat. Step 3, the secret weapon. Ask it, how will the other person likely read this? This is what saves the relationship. Step 4, edit and send. What I just showed you is one move. The reason it works is a system underneath it, and that system is the whole book. It's called AI for Managers. It's not a list of prompts to copy blindly. It teaches you to build your own, for any situation you'll ever face as a manager. Here's what's inside. 1. A simple method, the 4-part brief, so you can write a prompt that works the first time instead of fighting the AI. 2. 60 copy-paste prompts for the real moments. Performance reviews, hard messages, status updates, decisions, the work that eats your evenings. 3. The manager frameworks behind them, SBI for feedback, IRTR for decisions, so you sound senior, not like you pasted something. 4. The guardrails most AI advice skips. What not to paste into AI, and how to stop it from confidently making things up. If you want to try before you buy, the free prompt pack is in the description, no email required. Grab it, use one prompt today, and you'll know if the book's for you. If it saves you one stressful evening, it's paid for itself. Links in the description and pinned comment. Go build the manager version of yourself that uses AI like a pro.